We may just have a release date for the upcoming H2S, and I'll announce the winner of my A1 Mini giveaway. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I got a little news today of what might just be the release date for the upcoming Bambu Lab H2S. Now, I was on another YouTube channel on their live stream, thanks 3D Musketeers, and one of the members over there pointed me in the direction of the Bambu Lab Discord server where there is some interesting information. So let's go to the computer and take a look and see what we've found. Here we are on the Bambu Lab official Discord server. And just a couple days ago, on the 14th of August, we have this image that was posted. The Bambu Drop Spin Edition. So let's blow this up. And we see Discover Bambu Lab's newest drop and win an A1 Mini combo. Hey, just like me. And we've got a date here, September 6th at the Tustin store and September 7th at the Santa Clara store. These are California stores. And if we zoom in here even more, we can see that we have, looks like, the H2S, which we've seen before. You saw my other post, and this has been the rumored next printer from Bambu. And then we can see that very similar tool head that has that same little wheel as the A1 and the A1 Mini here, and just the single nozzle. So again, I think we've got a pretty solid idea of when we can expect the Bambu Lab H2S. Now, you could say, well, anybody could have just thrown that graphic together. That doesn't necessarily mean that this is an official announcement. This is in the rumors and speculations channel. But if we look over here at Bambu Lab events, we have on the same day that was posted from Paizen, the Bambu Lab, or the Bambu Drop Spin Edition California stops, and we have those same dates and these stores, these Micro Center stores, which is a distributor for Bambu Lab printers. And who is Paizen? Well, Paizen, if we look at staff and reporting, Paizen is a senior moderator here on the Bambu Lab official server. So I think we have some pretty good evidence here that we will see this printer in probably less than a month. All right, now that is interesting news. So we'll see. I mean, you got to take all of this stuff with a grain of salt, but I have a pretty good feeling about this. So we'll see if that date actually plays out. That's less than a month away. So I would anticipate if they're actually planning a physical location event, we'll probably have a notification, of email, website update, whatever, something a little bigger than that prior to the dates of that event. But now, before we get into the giveaway winner announcement, I want to thank our sponsor, PCBWay. Looking for more than just PCBs? PCBWay has been trusted by makers and engineers for over 11 years, offering high-quality PCB fabrication, 3D printing, CNC machining, and sheet metal fabrication, all in one place. Whether you're prototyping or ready for full-scale production, their rapid manufacturing services bring your ideas to life fast. And don't forget to explore their huge project library at pcbway.com/project. Packed with thousands of open source builds to inspire your next creation. PCBWay, PCB prototype the easy way. All right, and now the moment you've all been waiting for. Well, not all, but there's 67 of you that entered the little contest here. I appreciate we got to 5,000 subscribers. We're actually at a little over 5,100 now because it's been a busy week for me, and I had to take time to do this right and figure all of this excitement out. But I want to thank everybody that took the time to watch the H2D video review. Look for the secret code word, and I want to thank the sponsor of this video, and who's now become a pretty good friend of mine, and that is Jumpman. You saw his name shouted out in that video as well. He has graciously donated some Maker World credits, and that's why we're kind of limited to the USA for this contest. But he has benefited from everybody, you know, choosing and downloading some of his models that I featured on the channel before, and he contacted me and said, hey, I'd like to sponsor this giveaway to help the channel grow. So again, thank you so much, Jumpman. And now let's find out who is going to win an A1 Mini. So we'll give that wheel a spin. And Perry M, we have a winner. So Perry, I should have your email in the contact list, and I will send you an email probably a day or two after this video posts. So everybody congratulate Perry M down in the comments. And yeah, so that is the contest. Hopefully we'll have some more in the future. I will be trying to reach out to some companies. It would be great if we could get more sponsorships and get some more merchandise that we can give away. Hopefully ship directly from the company so I don't have to pay for the shipping myself, because believe it or not, YouTube, well, especially small YouTube channels like mine, I don't make a ton of money from doing this, but I spend a whole lot of time doing that. So anyway, that's the contest. Congratulations again to Perry M, and we will get back over to the other camera. All right, there you have it. Congratulations again, Perry M. I'll be in contact. So I would love to know what you think about the H2S now that we hopefully have that sooner release date, you know, early September. What are you thinking? Does this interest you at all? I personally don't think this is the replacement for the P and X series yet. It's still in that hybrid line. You know, it is the H2, so still in that hybrid line. May be able to benefit from the laser module or the vinyl cutter, et cetera, slightly bigger build volume than the H2D, only because of the reduced size of the tool head. So I think we'll see a little bit of probably extra X-axis, and we know we'll have a little bit of extra Z height. But let me know, is this something that interests you? Is it something that you'll be making a purchase of, or not so much? But anyway, once again, congratulations, Perry M. I want to thank PCB Way for the continued sponsorship of the channel. If you haven't checked them out, go to their website. Check out all the things that they have to offer, because it's quite impressive. But anyway, I would appreciate it if you have not already liked and subscribed to the channel, then go ahead and do that. Just hit the little like button, you know, give me that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I appreciate the time that we get to spend here together on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, growing, and printing together. Take care, everyone.